Now I am become death, the destroyer of worlds.
It is September 1944. Paul Warfield Tibbets, the commander of the 509 Composite Group, is recruiting officers for a very special mission that, if successful, could end the war. The 509th Composite Group, led by Tibbets, would spend the following months training in Wendover, Utah, before being shipped off to an American airbase on the Pacific island of Tinian in the Mariana Islands. Their planes were reconfigured B-29 Superfortress bombers with silverplate modifications. They had different engines, fewer guns, and a larger bomb bay. At the stroke of 2 a.m. on August 6, 1945, 3 B-29 Superfortresses roared into the night sky from Tinian Island, ready to etch their name in history books and leave an indelible mark forever. Necessary Evil, model B-2940-MO, had a crew of 11 men. This plane was used as the camera plane capturing at the event. The Great Artiste had a crew of 13 men. This plane was used for observation and instrumentation. With 3 so-called scientific observers on board, Luis Alvarez, Harold Agnew, and Lawrence H. Johnston. The final aircraft, Model B-2945MO with serial number 448692, carried a crew of 12 men. This was the strike plane entrusted with delivering Little Boy, ready to be dropped by the bombardier, Major Thomas Farabee. At the helm was Colonel Paul Tibbets, the pilot and aircraft commander, who named the plane after his mother, Enola Gay. They were carrying the first of 2 atomic bombs used in warfare on the Japanese city of Hiroshima. Some members admitted they were flying blind, having no clue what they were about to bring into existence and see with their own eyes.
I never heard the words, atomic bomb. We were only told what we needed to know, and keep your mouth shut.
What has kept the world safe from the bomb since 1945 has not been deterrence, in the sense of fear of specific weapons, so much as it's been memory. The memory of what happened at Hiroshima,